What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you a short video of when I went to the Guyanese Museum and I came across this little display board that had hundreds of coins on it. And I'm just trying to show you guys right here in the video all the different types of coins that they had. And I apologize ahead of time for the quality of the video. I was in a rush to get this, and I just thought it was really neat that they had all these different coins from various different countries on this board. And of course you can see some of them were missing. I guess they hadn't gotten those ones yet, but all the different types of coins from places like Austria, Portugal, Romania, Europe, Egypt, all kinds of places, guys. I think they may have even had some stuff from the US, but don't quote me, I'm not sure. But it was really, really cool to see this, and I was very intrigued, and I was really hoping that they had something that was worth, hundreds of thousands of dollars, but I wasn't sure, and I didn't have time to, look it up. But I thought this was really cool, and I wanted to share it with you all. And like I said, it was several different countries. As you can see, Norway, Japan, United Kingdom, France, all the above, like Palestine, Turkey, Sweden, Greece, you name it, guys. They were all on there. And so, yeah, now I'm going to show you some sales recently that I found on eBay for certain Guyanese coins. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.